You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to deactivate or turn off call recording on iOS 18. Please note that as of now, Apple's iOS does not have a built-in system-wide call recording feature for regular users due to legal restrictions. Therefore, there is no iOS 18 setting to deactivate any call recording you encounter. Would be through a third-party app you installed. To deactivate it, you must manage that specific app's settings. Open the third-party app you use for recording, go to its settings, and disable call recording permissions or uninstall the app. To review app permissions, go to your iPhone settings, then privacy and security, then microphone. Find the app and toggle off microphone access, which will prevent it from recording calls. Always remember, recording calls without consent is illegal in many regions. Apple may introduce native call recording in future updates with strict compliance controls, but currently you manage it through the third-party app you've authorized. For more simple iOS updates and tutorials, subscribe to the channel.